had this workbench for about 5 years now, and it's time to start updating it. I'm going to start off with putting a new top on it. I'm going to make it out of 2x4s, 5 feet by 3 feet. And once I'm done with the top, I'm going to put some wheels on it too. Before I go any further with this project, I want to make sure the top here isn't twisted or warped. And to do that, use some winding sticks. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. Well, seems like everything's on the up and up. Probably didn't need to use the sticks. But just my sanity check, I just wanted to make sure I'm not getting anything out of whack. Closely, you can see how light is shining from underneath the straight edge. And where you see it get really dark, that's where it's touching. This side stays big and strong. Bench top's finished. I think it turned out really nice. The linseed oil, when it went on, it was dark. It's been a few days, so it's had time to soak in really well. And it really lightened up the color. I put the linseed oil on it because I didn't want the wood to dry out. I wanted it to last a little longer. Plus, it makes it look nice too. When I put the dowels in, I didn't put them in all the way. I put them in about halfway, glued them in. I did that so when I come back later on and I need to replace the edge, all I gotta do is drill out the dowels, knock them out with a hammer and screwdriver, and I won't damage the head of the screws, and I'll be able to get the screws out, recut a new board, and put a new board on. There are some links in the description for videos related to this project. Do me a favor, check those out too. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button. It'll let me know that you did like it. Hit the like button too. The end.